One of the requirements under the Governor Snyder's new Wetlands Law signed last July was that the Department of Environmental Quality had to come up with new permit categories to streamline the process of expanding agriculture in wetland areas that are regulated. Using our grassroots policy and input from our growers, Michigan Farm Bureau worked with the DEQ to come up with two new permit categories that have been released for public comment. The first is a general permit for blueberry farming. It states that farming activities can't convert a wetland to a non-wetland, that wetlands need to be put in a conservation easement to restore them if the farming ceases, and it sets rules for earth moving, mulching and tillage, drainage and underground lines, seeding between rows with native plants, and setbacks from lakes and streams. The second is a minor permit for farm structure pads. This changes existing language to allow pads for farm buildings and structures on new wetlands in agricultural production, not just lands already in production. And it also states that pads totaling up to 1/10 of an acre will not require mitigation. Comments on these permits need to be received by the department by February 12, 2014. You can send them by postal service or by email to the addresses that are on your screen. You can also log into our website at www.mishfb.com for more information.